What do you need? Huh? Why are you over here looking at my wall? Oh, you do?
Yeah, I live right in there, man.
Okay. You going now?
I thought you parked over there.
Okay, so, and?
Why did you park right here tonight?
I bury it.
Alright, man.
Why are you over here? Why are you over here lurking around with this? That's your vehicle? You're a truck driver? So you live here, but you're sleeping in your truck here? I'm sorry? I get it. Why don't you sleep in your own bed, though? Okay. Oh, you're with somebody? In your truck, or you mean in your apartment? Why are you, you came over here trying to talk to me? Nope. I don't have a cigarette. I do not. You too. Is there anything else you need?
No, sir, I just wondered what he said to you.
I'm sorry?
I just wondered what he said to you.
What do you think he said to me?
Oh, I don't know. He's out of his mind.
Okay. Is that your truck?
It's his truck. I'm a driver. I'm driving it.
What, I mean, the pickup truck or the semi?
I'm the driver.
You're the driver of which?
Semi.
Okay. So this is your friend?
Yeah.
What's his name?
I call him Cash.
I'm sorry?
Cash.
So you don't know his real name? Do you know where he lives?
Huh? He lives here in town.
He told me he lives here at this apartment complex.
Might be true, yeah.
I'm sorry?
Might be true, yeah.
It might be true.
Yeah. I'm not sure.
How would you not know that, though, if you're his friend and he's in your car with you?
I said I'm the driver of the truck.
I get it, but if he lives here, why aren't you guys hanging out here?
I don't understand. Like, what happened? I mean,
He came over the wall.
he didn't come over the wall. He was over
No, he came over to the wall, not over the wall, but
Right.
came to the wall and saw me and started talking to me, and obviously I came over to see what was going on.
Fair enough.
And he's acting a little weird, and
Yeah, that's what I said. He's out of his mind. He's going through the breakup and stuff.
okay, you know, doesn't look like your typical semi-truck driver. And then I asked him,
Me?
just no, he doesn't.
No.
Not saying that he's not, but you know, if he lives here, it seems a little strange that he's hanging out in a truck over here. You know what I mean?
Yep.
But I mean, you guys aren't on my property, so I don't care what you do.